which made our women today highly cultured and enlightened, is the free and democratic society in which she lives. Do you agree? Because before during the Spanish time, we were not under democratic society. And we were even deprived to learn Spanish because they would just, they want us to keep up in the dark, not to understand the language. So, the most important thing, Dr. Encarnacion Alsaona, an author, a translator, a historian, and a professor. She is the first national president of our organization, Kababayang Rizal Lista, which started in the year 1958, September 27. And Dr. Encarnacion Alsaona, the first national president of our organization, was acclaimed to be the first Filipino woman to have written a serious book dealing with the first scientific history of education of the Philippines in the year 1932. Is this not an inspiring news for us, ladies? Is it not inspiring news for us, ladies? It is. And it also serves us the blueprint. In other words, it serves us as model. And in this respect, I wish you all, ladies for Rizal, all the best in your life and more success in your Rizalian undertakings. And lastly, I hope that you will keep up with your commitment to our organization until the last breath of your life. I thank you very much.